So in this video I will show you how to download the Bentley program software. So in this video I will show you how to download the Open Bridge Modeler. So what you have to do is you go to the Bentley website and you use your account to sign in, and after that you go to store. You go to store and it will pop up this one, the connection clients. So you need to download this connection client. In this video I already download this one, and after you download it, you download the 32 bits or 64 bits based on your computer. And then after you install this connection client, you have to log in. It will pop up on your screen desktop like this. So what you need to do is you click on application. When you click on applications, it will pop up on the link like this one. And what you need to do next is you go down and click on software download. This is where you can download all the program software of Bentley. When you click this software download, it will lead you to this feature. Sorry, it's not working. I will refresh it again. So you click on software download, okay, and then it will pop up all the program software that are available for download. So what you need to do next is finding the software that you are looking for, because there are many. So the best way to do it by searching. So you type the bridge analysis, and what I'm looking for is the Open Bridge, and I apply. So here there are three software for Open Bridge. So the one is Open Bridge Model Designer, one is Open Bridge Designer CCK, and another one is Open Bridge Modeler. This is what we want. So you click on this one, and then there's some information you need to fill. So this is the generation. You click on connection edition, and version you click on the last stage versions. Language, click on the language that you prefer, and also click on x64 and installer. After that you click apply, and you can start download. So right here I'm downloading, I'm just download this program at the moment, the Open Bridge modeling. And then again I want to download another software. I go to the search panel, and then I click on bridge analysis again, and then this time I want to download the Bridge design. So here, this is the Bridge, and there another one is Bridge Advanced and Bridge Enterprise. So this the program that I'm looking for, and again I will fill out the information here. I click the latest one, the language, and install, and click apply. And then here you go, the Bridge connection editions that you are looking for. Click download, and it will be downloaded. After that you can install, and here you go. Good luck. Thank you very much.